Rhythmlink's BrainHealth Headset is a single-patient, disposable device designed to increase speed and efficiency when placing electrodes for recording EEG or evoked potentials. To use the headset, begin by opening the box and removing the contents. Each box contains an instructions for use document, 2 separately packaged extension cables, and the application device preloaded with Rhythmlink press-on electrodes. Start at one corner and tear open the pouch to carefully remove the cardboard holder. Loosen the straps and gently lift any wires that may be tucked into the cardboard slits. Flip the holder and allow the headset to fall into your hand. To apply your headset to the patient, begin by locating and securing the Nasion strip placed between the 2 black buttons, which will rest on the forehead. Then, securely fasten the chin strap. You can see from this angle that the application buttons are already spaced equally and symmetrically across the head, though slight adjustments may need to be made. Make sure the headset fits snugly on the head, and check for any applicators that are not resting correctly or lead wires that may be trapped underneath. When making adjustments, be careful not to grasp the applicator above the base, as accidental deployments may occur. A W should rest over the patient's ear as shown when the headset is in the correct placement. To apply your electrodes, stabilize the applicator at the base with your middle finger and thumb, using your index finger to depress the button. Work in color sections, deploying all yellow electrodes, green electrodes, gray, blue, and red. Deploy the black electrodes on the forehead last. If patient hair is a concern, make a window using the index finger and thumb on your opposite hand. Part the hair until you can see the scalp, then depress. When all of your electrodes have been applied, you can remove the application guide. Remove the Nasion tape from the forehead and release the chin strap. Grasping the elastic, gently peel back the application guide from the patient's head. Connect the right and left sides of the lead wire bundles to their extension cables and begin recording. When you're done recording, remove the electrodes by gently tugging near the base of the lead wire and dispose. You have now successfully used the BrainHealth Headset. 4 simple steps summarize your training. Apply the device, deploy the electrodes, record your data, then remove the electrodes and dispose. You can reference these steps in the Quick Start Guide on your packaging or by consulting the instructions for use document provided. For specific questions or information on replacing an individual electrode, contact Rhythmlink's sales team.